guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chelsiejayy, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, we're just doing like we're doing a get ready with me today. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. It was super easy, super cute, chill. It's not doing a lot, but it's still doing enough, you know. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Please watch the whole video, girl, and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. And yeah, let me just stop talking. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. I don't know what I'm gonna do on the eyes just yet. I'll figure it out as I go. Yeah, as you can see, I've already done my brows off camera. Typically I do my brows off camera because I already have a brow routine. I use the Anastasia Ebony dip brow, which is one of my favorite products for brows, that and Benefit. So if you have not tried that, girl, go ahead and try that. I really don't have anything to do today, so I'm really just getting ready. So yeah, I don't know what eyeshadow look I'm gonna do, but we're gonna figure it out, girl. You know, I love using my Anastasia eyeshadow primer. This is the best primer ever, y'all. Like for your eyes, especially if you're doing a more detailed look, this primer is the way to go. To get started, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Concealer, and I'm gonna mix that with the eyeshadow base. Because that eyeshadow base is a little bit too bright, I like to mix it together. That gives me like the perfect shade. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Hey guys, so as you know, like, I love using my Black Radiance palette. I use this for so many things. You should definitely pick this up. It's like $6 or $7. You can get it from Target, Walmart, or any type of drugstore. But it's perfect for like not only your contour, but you can use it as like an eyeshadow, what do you call it, like a transition shade for your eyeshadow. And I love using the sculpt shade in the middle, so I'm gonna mix that with the I'm gonna use the A12 brush by Anastasia to blend that across my lid. And you guys know, whenever I use my bronzer as like my transition shade, I like to bring it up into the brow because that just gives like a nice transition for my contour when I contour my nose, so everything just kind of blends in together. And that's what you want. You want everything to blend in. So I'm just still blending and bringing it up into the brow. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place palette. The first one I'm gonna go in with is the Nubian 2 palette. I'm using the shade Morocco. It's at the very top, and I'm gonna blend that out using this Morphe brush. It's like an old brush. It's super old, so y'all already know I don't have the name for it. But I'm just taking that shade Morocco and applying it to my lid. So next I'm gonna take the shade Kenya. This chocolate shade here is called Kenya. Yeah, I'm just gonna take that same brush, the same blending brush. You don't have to keep changing brushes. I hate using multiple brushes. That's just me because I'm lazy. But yeah, you can keep the same brush and just blend everything out. I'm just gonna lightly pat and work my way inside my lid. Listen, I'm so hungry, I can't even think right now. But I'm just gonna take that and cut my lid. So the next thing I'm going to do is go back into that Nubian 2 palette with the shade Kenya again. And I'm going to mix a little bit of Morocco at the top. And I'm going to just blend around that cut crease. And that's what you want to do first before you apply your pigment. Is just blend around that shade because you want it to transition like really nicely. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna mix the shades Nairobi and Nefertiti, and I'm just taking this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. This is one of my favorite brushes, you guys. And as you can see, it's giving me like this nice orange gold color. Go back in with this Real Techniques brush. It's like a smaller, this one is like a smaller eyeshadow brush. It's the purple kind. I'm just gonna do some cut crease work. What I mean by that is just go in with a smaller brush around your cut crease, and it's just gonna make the look a lot more precise. So I'm gonna come back once I finish the eyes, and then we can move on to the face. Now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm going to use this, in Prime My Face. The next thing I'm gonna do is mix my foundations. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Luminous Foundation, and then I'm also gonna mix it with the Kat Von D. This is their Liquid to Matte Foundation in the shade 66, and I'm gonna mix that with 470 in Anastasia because I ran out of my favorite, so I'm having to mix my foundations right now. I'm just gonna take that and apply it with my finger first. To blend that foundation out, I'm gonna take my Sigma Flat Kabuki brush. This is the F80 brush. So onto concealer, I'm going to take the Makeup Obsession Mega Conceal. You know I've been using this a lot in my videos, so I'm going to take the shade 12, and I'm going to mix it with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to mix the two and highlight and conceal my face. Now to contour, I'm going to take the Anastasia foundation stick. This is in the shade Walnut, and I'm going to use that to contour my face. I'm going back in with my Sonia Kashuk sponge, and I'm just blending that highlighted part down. So don't worry about my nose. I'm gonna blend that out in just a bit, but I'm just gonna let it sit on there for a few seconds. I'm gonna take this Sephora Micro Smooth powder. This is one of my favorite powders, and I'm just going to set everything in place before I set it with the translucent. That's just what I like to do, so if you like to do it a different way, then definitely do that, but this is just what works for me. So I'm gonna take that and just set the rest of my face. So for setting powder, y'all, I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty powder. Like, y'all can't know how long I've been waiting to get a re-up on this powder. This is like one of the best powders ever. Before we do the powder, I forgot to contour the rest of my nose. I'm just gonna take this brush. This is the E433 brush, E25 brush by Sigma, and I'm just gonna contour my nose. So I'm gonna take my powder puff to use that powder to set my face. So that's what I'm gonna take here. You can already see that it's getting me right, y'all. Getting me right. I'm gonna let that powder around my under eyes like sit a little bit, but I'm gonna blend the bottom portion out a little bit using the Black Radiance True Complexion palette that I used earlier, and I'm just going to contour my face while I'm waiting on that powder to dry, to set. So I'm just going to lightly like sweep away that powder under my eye. So the face is looking pretty good. I'm gonna do like my inner corner little flicks, if you want to call them, and then I'm gonna put my lashes on, then I'll be right back so that we can finish up the look. Okay guys, so I did put on my lashes, did a little inner corner flick, and the lashes that I'm using are the Leilani lashes. These are by Tata lashes on Instagram. I will try to link their Instagram below if I don't forget. But yeah, let's just go ahead and finish up the rest of the face. So for blush, I'm going to use the Becca Trio palette. This is what it looks like on the inside, just in case people were curious. I know it's broken, but you can kind of see what it looks like. But yeah, I'm just going to use that as my blush. And I'm just taking a Anastasia A23 brush. So for lips, I'm gonna take this NYX. This is the shade Toast, and I'm just going to line my lips and then apply my lip gloss. Now I'm just gonna take my finger and just blend out around my lips. I'm gonna take Pastel Pink. This is by Anastasia. This is one of my favorite lip gloss colors. Now I'm gonna go in with Snob, and this is by MAC. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Obsession setting spray. So that is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It was just like a get ready with me type video. I'm not getting ready to go anywhere, but I was like, hey, why not film the look? Hopefully you enjoyed it. Definitely give me some ideas of what type of content you want to see next in the comment section. If you haven't already, girl, go ahead and like this video, subscribe so that you won't miss a slay with your girl Chelsiejayy. Also set your notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post my next video. But yeah, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Chelsiejayy. That's where I am most of the time whenever I'm not on YouTube. So yeah, just follow me there. And I think that's it, you guys. I can't wait to see you in my next one.